Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful crochet macrame wall hanging design ideas. So viewers, let's start. Today video. So viewers, friends, two-color macrame design. You don't always have to use only one color. Try combine two colors. For example, cream and brown can create a warm natural look. White and gray can look modern. Pink and cream can create a soft feminine style. Green can give a fresh and natural inspired appearance. Choose colors that match your room so wall hanging look like part of the decoration. Macrame with the dry flower for an extra beautiful touch. You can combine macrame with the dry flowers. Attach a few dry flowers to the wooden stick or between the cord. This creates a lovely natural appearance. Dry flower in a soft brown, white, mustard color work especially well with the natural macrame. You can change the flower according to the season. This makes your wall decoration feel fresh and unique. Macrame as a handmade gift. Macrame wall hanging can also make wonderful handmade gift. You can make a small design for a friend or family members. Choose color according to their taste. You can even add their favorite flower color or simple theme. A handmade gift is special because it's your time, effort and creative. You don't need to spend a lot of money to give someone something meaningful. Macrame for our handmade business. If you enjoy making macrame, you can also turn your hobby into a small handmade business. Wall hanging are popular because there are so many styles and sizes can offer. You can create small decoration, medium design or large statement piece. You can also make matching set. For example, wall hanging with matching plant hanger or mirror decoration. Use beautiful